Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. The world's energy industry, in its many forms, has found Vulcan systems in the heartland of the USA the answer to its needs for soil remediation. Clients from 83 nations have found the answer to their demands in Vulcan systems. From the removal of mercury for the power and cement industry to the remediation of sludge and drilling waste, Vulcan has been a leader in innovation and product design, providing cost-effective solutions for a variety of industries. Vulcan systems are custom designed and manufactured for drying, calcining, incinerating, and thermal desorption processes. As oil and gas drilling operations expand, the cleanup of drilling waste such as drill cuttings becomes a growing industry issue. Similarly, the new EPA regulations on mercury emissions have had a serious effect on the power and cement industries. Fortunately, drilling muds, drill cuttings, and mercury can be remediated, and some of the products can be recovered for beneficial reuse with the help of Vulcan's thermal desorption units. For mobile-friendly and versatile applications, Vulcan compact portable units are trailer-mounted systems, ideal for reducing disposal well and sludge handling costs for the fracturing industry. Vulcan's custom-built rotary dryers and desorption systems enable clients to make their operations more cost-effective and efficient, providing an economical solution to almost any drying project. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.